So this is proof of concept of a application that will update support properties as the file is saved. I'm going to place a support on this elbow. And you'll see it has a template. The things in braces here are properties of the support, and the items in angle brackets refer to the script parameters, such as L here is connected with this L and the angle brackets. So when I save the file, the size long description will update with the length. So now I look here, and that's at 24, which corresponds to L down here. Now I can stretch this 6 inches, save it, and now I've got 30 inches, which again corresponds with my length here. The way this works is you can put whatever parameters you want in. So if I put in grout equals and put in my script parameter here in the angle brackets, right, in my template, when I save this, grout will be filled in with what I put right there. I can also change properties here, like let's just say I want to put in support detail, my detail, and then I change my template here to say detail equals, it's kind of hard to see that, support detail. So now I've got, let me stretch this out. So now I've got this property name and these braces here, or brackets. Now when I save, that'll be filled in. So ideally you would set these kind of things from the spec or the catalog to be filled in, and then set up a template description with what you want on here. And then as you save each file, all your supports are updated. With the parameters and or properties of the item.